It's autumn on the Upper West Side. This is a walk down West 74th Street in the borough of Manhattan on November 12th. So we are after the 9 weeks of autumn colors in the Empire State, but there's still some beauty to be enjoyed, as well as the leaves that line the street. And I think New Yorkers, those that live in Manhattan, don't really mind the leaves because they never rake and they don't have to clean the gutters. And they sure do look pretty. All right, so do the buildings. This is a really nice block. I always enjoy walking down 74th Street. All right, off we go to Central Park. Till next time, from Ever Beautiful, I love New York.